Hi guys, this is my first lab tutorial for Angular 6 development. There are following important required tools for Angular development. First of all is NodeJS, second one Visual Studio Code for coding, and the Git that will help to run commands. So first of all, I'm going to install NodeJS. Now I'm going to copy this link and open browser. Paste this link and search. Here is the latest version. We have to install current version and now click on current version. I'm going to cancel it because I have already downloaded. Here is the setup and I'm going to run it. Click on done. Next, accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, in the directory if you want. Next, next. Now guys, Node.js installation process is completed. Click on finish and now I'm going to check which version I have. Start. Open the command prompt and type node-v for version. Here is the Node.js install version 12.2.1. We have successfully completed our first task of Node.js installation. I hope you will like this tutorial.